Many reactions are carried out in the form of solutions. So it is most important to know the concentration of a solution. We should be able to determine the concentration of a solution. Different methods are used to determine the concentration of a solution. The methods are mass by mass percentage, mole fraction, molarity and molality. Molarity M is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. That is, molarity M is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. Now, how can you calculate the number of moles? Number of moles is given as mass by molar mass. So, divide the given mass of the solute by the molar mass of the solute. You can get the number of moles. So, molarity M is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. Calculate the molarity of sodium hydroxide in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 milliliter of the solution. So let us try to calculate the molarity of sodium hydroxide solution. Molarity is given as equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. So you have to start with the number of moles. How can you calculate the number of moles? For that, use the formula the given mass by molar mass. What is the mass given in the question? It is equal to 4 gram. Now, what is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide? From the formula NaOH, you can get the molar mass. 23 plus 16 plus 1. That gives you 40 gram. So, divide 4 by 40. That will give you number of moles as equal to 0.1. So, it means 0.1 mole of sodium hydroxide is present in 250 milliliter of the solution. The volume of the solution given in the question is 250 ml. So 0.1 mole is present in 250 ml. Now how can you calculate the molarity? To calculate the molarity, we need to get the number of moles present in 1000 milliliter of the solution. So what number of moles will be present in 1000 ml? Just cross multiply, you will get the molarity. That gives you the molarity as equal to 0.1 into 1000 divided by 250. Or it is equal to 0.4 molar. Another method used to calculate the concentration of the solution is mass by mass percentage, and it is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. The solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of the solute. Mass percentage of the solute is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. What is the mass of solute given in the question? It is equal to 2 gram. Now what is the mass of solution given? It is not given. You have to calculate the mass of the solution. So take the sum of the masses of the solute and the solvent. So 2 plus 18, that gives you the total mass of the solution as 20 gram. Therefore, mass percentage of the solute is equal to 2 divided by 20 into 100. That gives you the mass percentage as 10%. Another method used to express the concentration of a solution is mole fraction. It is denoted by the letter chi. So, chi of the solute is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by total number of moles of the solution. Similarly, the mole fraction chi of solvent is equal to number of moles of the solvent divided by total number of moles of the solution. Now, if only 2 components are present in a solution, then chi of the solute plus chi of the solvent will be equal to 1. So, chi 1 is equal to N1 by N1 plus N2 and chi 2 is equal to N2 by N1 plus N2. The concentration of a solution can also be expressed in terms of molality. Molality M is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent. Now, how can you calculate the number of moles? It is given as mass by molar mass. The density of 3 molar solution of sodium chloride is 1.25 gram per milliliter. Calculate the molality of the solution. Molality is given as number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kilogram. So here we need to get the number of moles first. In the question, the molarity of the solution is given. It is equal to 3 molar. It means 3 moles present in 1 liter of the solution. So here number of moles is already given and it is equal to 3. Next, to calculate the molality, we need to get the mass of the solvent. But it is not given in the question. So how to calculate the mass of the solvent? Let us see. What is the solute given in the question? It is sodium chloride. So what is the mass of 1 mole of sodium chloride? It will be equal to 23 plus 35.5, that gives you 58.5 gram. So 58.5 gram is the mass of 1 mole of sodium chloride. How many moles of sodium chloride is present in our solution? 3 moles. So what mass of sodium chloride will be present in 3 moles? 1 mole contains 58.5. So 3 moles will contain 3 into 58.5. So you will get the mass of sodium chloride as 3 into 58.5, which is equal to 175.5 gram. So that is the mass of the solute. Now, see, the density of the solution is given in the question. And what is it equal to? 1.25 gram per milliliter. You know that density is equal to mass by volume. So here we can say density of the solution is equal to mass of the solution by volume of the solution. Density value is given, that is 1.25. So 1.25 is equal to mass of the solution is not known, we have to calculate. So mass of the solution divided by what is the volume of the solution given? How can you get the volume of the solution? See the question. The molarity is given 3 molar. It means 3 moles present in 1 liter of the solution. So from that information you can get the volume of the solution as equal to 1 liter. But since density is expressed in grams per milliliter, the volume should also be expressed in milliliter. So volume of the solution is here taken as 1000 ml. So volume of the solution is known, density is also known. So you can easily calculate the mass of the solution. 1.25 into 1000. That will give you the mass of the solution as equal to 1250 gram. So now you have got the mass of the solute and the mass of the solution. You have to get the mass of the solvent. What will you do? Find the difference. So 1250 minus 175.5. That will give you the mass of the solvent as equal to 1074.5 gram. So 3 moles of the solute will be present in 1074.5 gram of the solvent. Now to calculate the molality, we have to find the number of moles present in 1000 grams of the solvent. So just cross multiply, you will get the molality of the solution. So what is molality? Small m equal to 3 into 1000 divided by 1074.5. That will give you the molality as equal to 2.79 molal. So these are the different ways of expressing the concentration of a solution. Molarity, number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Molality is equal to number of moles of the solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent. Mole fraction is equal to number of moles of the component divided by total number of moles of all the components. And mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. That's all about the various topics given in the lesson. Have a joyful learning.